In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy blocks to other sections in Squarespace. This is a very simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of time when you're building or updating a page. If you already have a block styled the way you want, there's no need to recreate it from scratch in another section. Instead, you can quickly copy it and paste it where you need it, which helps keep your design consistent and speeds up your editing process. To begin, go to the section that already contains the block you want to reuse. Click directly on that block so it's selected. Make sure you're choosing the exact block you want to duplicate because Squarespace needs that block to be active before the keyboard shortcut will work. Once the block is selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. That tells Squarespace you want to duplicate that specific block and hold it temporarily so you can place it somewhere else. After copying the block, move to the section where you want the duplicate version to appear. Click on that section so it becomes the active area. This part is important because if the correct section isn't selected first, the pasted block may not go where you expect. Once the destination section is selected, press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste the block. You should now see the copied block appear inside the selected section. From there, you can leave it exactly as it is or make small adjustments depending on the layout of that section. This is especially helpful if you're reusing text blocks, buttons, images, or other content elements across multiple parts of a page. A good tip is to pause for a second after selecting the destination section, just to make sure Squarespace has clearly focused on it before you paste. That can help avoid mistakes and make the process smoother. It's also a good idea to visually confirm the block has appeared in the right place before continuing with other edits. That's all it takes to copy blocks to other sections in Squarespace. Once you get used to using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V in the editor, it becomes one of the fastest ways to build pages more efficiently and maintain a polished, consistent design throughout your site.